Good morning, dear children. Today I am going to start English grammar, in which your first topic is articles. Dear children, in activity sheet video, I already taught you about articles. Here again I am going to teach you. See, what are articles? Articles are words which are used to point out or refer a noun. Again I am repeating. Articles are words which are used to point out or refer a noun. There are only three articles in English: a, an, the. Now see, types of articles. They are of two types: definite articles and indefinite articles. See, definite articles, they are used to tell about a specific person, place or thing. Again, definite articles means they are used to tell about a specific person, place or thing. Now, indefinite articles, they are used to tell about something general. Now see this. Articles, indefinite and definite. For general thing, we use a or an. For specific thing, we use the. Okay? See, indefinite article, general things, indefinite are a or n are indefinite articles. The is definite articles, means for specific thing we use the, and for general things we use a, n. Now see, next we use a in front of consonant and we use n in front of vowel. Everyone knows about what are consonant and what are vowels. A, E, I, O, U are called vowels and rest of the letters are called consonant. Here it is given some examples. We use a in front of consonant, means the word which is beginning with consonants. A chair, a school, a lion, a bed, a man, a woman. Now we use n in front of vowels. An elevator, an egg, an elephant, an oven, an ear, an avocado. Now see, when to use a, n, the. Here we will see when to use a, n, the. See example 1. He is a doctor. He is one of many doctors, so we use a. Means in general way we are saying he is a doctor, so we use a. Now see the second one. He is the doctor who treated me. Here we are using the. Why? Because here the doctor is specified. He is the doctor who treated me. He is the specific doctor who treated me, so we use the. In the first sentence, we say in general way he is a doctor. So in many doctor he is one of them. Now when we are saying he is the doctor who treated me, now I am specifying this statement. He is the doctor means he is that doctor who treated me, who giving me a treatment. I am talking about that doctor. Okay, so we are using the. Now see, he is a doctor, not specify, not specific, so we use a. And when we are saying he is the doctor who treated me, he is the specific doctor who treated me, so we use the. Now see the difference. I saw a cow. One sentence. I saw a cow. The cow was of black color. The cow was of black color. Now see, in first line we are talking about any one cow, not a specific cow. Okay, so a is indefinite article. In the second sentence, we are talking about a specific cow of black color. So the is a definite article. Okay, now see the second one. This is an elephant. The elephant was very angry. In first line, we are talking about any one elephant, not a specific elephant. So we use this is an elephant. So an is indefinite article. In second sentence, we are talking about a specific elephant who was very angry. So the is a definite article. Now see, the summary is what? For specific nouns, we use the. For general noun, we use a or n. Okay. Now see your exercise. See, I must read this. The words a, n and the are called articles. We use a with singular nouns which begin with consonant sound. Consonants B, C, D, F, G, H, J, K, L, M, N, P, Q, R, S, T, V, W, X, Y, Z. So these are consonants. We use N with singular nouns which begin with vowel sounds. Vowels A, E, I, O, U. Now see the first exercise. Fill in the blanks with a, n or the. Omit the article if not necessary. Means if it is not necessary, we don't have to put anything. Okay. Now see the first one. It was dash nice day yesterday. It was a nice day yesterday. We went to dash beach and had dash swim in dash sea. So the answer, we went to the beach and had a swim in the sea. Okay, it's a sea, S-E-A. It is not clear, but it's a sea. Now see the second one. What did you have for dash breakfast? Here, what did you have for breakfast? Nothing will come, no article will come, so you have to put cross. Now, nothing. I had only dash glass of milk. I had only a glass of milk. Now see the third one. Would you like to travel in dash space? Would you like to travel in space? No article will come. Put cross. Yes, I want to become dash astronaut and go to dash moon. Here, yes, I want to become an astronaut and go to the moon. Okay. Now see, fourth one. Nina works in dash hospital. Nina works in a hospital. A will come. She is dash nurse. She is a nurse. She goes to dash hospital at 6 in dash morning. Now she is a nurse. She goes to the hospital at 6 in the morning. At 6 in the morning. Here, see this. When I say Nina works in a hospital, here hospital is general thing. That's why I use a hospital. In the same sentence, in the same line, it is given she goes to the hospital at 6 in the morning. Here again hospital is used. So when the word comes second time, we use the. Now see the fifth one. There was dash accident this morning. There was an accident this morning. Dash man was badly injured. A man was badly injured. Dash ambulance arrived at the scene of dash accident and took dash man to dash nearby hospital. Here, an ambulance arrived at the scene of the accident and took the man to a nearby hospital. Okay. Now see the sixth one. There is dash old story about dash man called Robin Hood. There is an old story about a man called Robin Hood. It is said that he robbed dash rich and gave the money to dash poor. There is an old story about a man called Robin Hood. It is said that he robbed the rich and gave the money to the poor. Okay. Now see, we use a and n when we refer to someone or something for the first time with singular countable noun. Always remember this. We use article with singular countable nouns. Okay. Now, we do not use a and n before. It is very important. See, we do not use a or n with plural nouns, uncountable nouns, the name of meals, breakfast, lunch, dinner, the names of people, material nouns, gold, silver, and abstract nouns, the names of continents, countries, states, cities, and towns. So it is given in your book. Just once you have to read this. Okay. Now I'm going to end this video. I will continue in next video. Till then, thank you.